Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I have two more Mini Brands Create masterpieces that I want to open and see what we can find. I'm really enjoying this series, and I have something coming up that I hope you all will really enjoy, kind of in the lines with this. So let's get these open and see what we get. Now, y'all know I really want a paint palette. I do. And I like one of the statues. So let's pop this open. There's one. And here is the other one. Now, let's see. There are 5 bags. This feels like a magnifying glass. And it's instructions, of course. Alright. This feels chunky. It feels like one of those chests. Yep. Here it is. Okay. And let's see. Bag number 3. Art bag number 1. We have this one, which I believe is a duplicate for me. Let me see. Hang on. Yep, it is a duplicate. That's okay. I will put it in the duplicate box. And let's move on. There's a black frame and the little thing stuck in there. And oh, this is a new one for me. That's pretty. I like that. That's gonna fit beautifully in the house. Yes. And next we have y'all know I wanted this one from the very beginning, and I think I have one. Checking to see how many duplicates I have of her. So I already have one duplicate of her, so that gives me 2 duplicates of her. And here she is in her frame. So pretty. Alright, so we got one new one. And then this, oh, this is 2. Alright, that's art. That's art. This is another crate. It's another magnifying glass. Here is the crate. So I guess that means we didn't get our paint palette. Okay. What did we get for art today in this one? We got this piece, which again is a duplicate for me. Actually, I think it's a triplicate for me. Here it is in its frame. And yes, it's a triplicate. Okay, next one. This is one of the joke ones because he's riding a cat. That's cool. It's a new one for me, and I am good with that. And so far, we're at what? 4 dupes and 2 new ones. All right, what are you? Oh, you're new. All right, I'm trying to figure out which way it goes. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, she is so pretty. But why is she on such a basic frame? All right, you guys. Okay, so I wanted to grab the collector's guide so that we can mark them off. I saw somebody throw a fit because they got that banana. I'll take that banana. There are the statues. Still unsuccessful in any of those. But we got this one. And we got this one. And we got this one. So that is where we are so far. And then let's mark these duplicates. So we got another of that. And what other one did we get? So I've done mixed them all around. Okay, so we got the mountaintop one. This one is a duplicate. And we got another of this one. So you can see I have 3 of her, 3 of that, 2 of that, 3 of that, and yeah. So my luck is not terribly bad with these, but I guess it could be better. I'm gonna put one of these in the frame just so you can see that they're pretty easy. Of course, I picked the one that has its base stuck down in the frame. There it goes. Okay, so you peel off this center part. It has a little tab that you peel off, and then right there you can see there's some sticky. See, the shiny is a protectant, and then there's the sticky. So you take your little frame and you just line it up on the little sticky. It doesn't have to be perfect. And if you're careful, you can pull this edging kind of off in one piece like that. So then you just fold up and over, up and over. Stuck. And if it's not perfect, that's okay, because once you put it down in the frame, you really can't tell. I just rub the edges just on something firm on my desk mat, just to push it down really well. And then you just put it in its frame. There it is, framed art. So are you guys collecting these? Is there one that you want? Let me know down below in the comments. And if you've made it to the end, do me a favor and leave me a paint palette in the comments section. Like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.